Guys, I'm with Miss Cosmo Philippines, Chelsea Fernandez.
Hi!
Kamusta naman ang journey mo dito?
So far, I'm enjoying every moment of it and embracing every chance and opportunity that I get to see these girls. And as you can see, I'm not wearing a Philippine sash because we are still waiting for that moment. Finally, this is the sashing ceremony and it means it's officially starting.
Yes, speaking of starting, today is December 1st. Malapit na rin yung mga activities nyo. Anong
It's
nilook forward mo?
time!
What are you looking forward for the Miss Cosmo
Kasi
competition?
as what I saw on our schedule, sunod-sunod na yung mga activities na scored. So for example, tomorrow there's going to have 5 winners, I think, or top 5 for the best in fashion show. And also the next day, best in swimsuit. So imagine all the activities here starting in December are all scored. So I'm very excited for that. But I'm really looking forward to our schedule for NAM APAC or Green Summit because we are about to present our advocacy there.
Wow! Looking forward naman kami dyan.
Yes.
Makita rin mga performance mo. And of course, yung mga hinanda mong outfit for Miss Cosmo.
Yes, as you can see, I'm wearing this beautiful gown, of course, made by Sir Louis Pangilinan.
The one and only.